Hello everyone! Today, I've got a quick tutorial for all video editing enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the magic of chroma key, often used to remove green screen backgrounds, and guess what? We're using CapCut to make it happen. Let's start by setting the perfect stage. Import your desired background video into the main track. For those who's wondering, a still image would work just as well. Now, deselect the footage and hit the effect button from the video effects menu within the lens section, or you can just search. Keep scrolling until you spot the blur option. So, let's dial the blur intensity to around 20 or 22 or 25, depending on your desired intensity. Now, stretch these effects across your entire background video. With the scene set, it's time to bring in your main act. Click on Overlay, then Add Overlay, and choose your green screen video. Expand this overlay, ensuring it snugly fits your screen. Now, select the overlay, navigate to Cutout, and tap on Chroma Key. Drag the Chroma Key selector onto the green region of your video. Adjust the intensity, aiming for a value that eliminates all the green traces. For me, it's 100. To add that, I recommend throwing in a subtle shadow, but that's up to your artistic vision. So, are you satisfied with the results? Then go ahead and export your masterpiece. Just to give you a glimpse, here's how my edited video turned out. I hope you found this video insightful. Remember, with tools like CapCut, you're only limited by your imagination. Dive in, experiment, and create mesmerizing content.
The team, go sports!
Alright, can you just explain what's going on here?
I thank you, I have no idea.
It's not that